From May 2024 to May 2025, our journey brought us to 4 trainings for educators from various monasteries, supporting 46 teachers who guide over 550 young monastic students, the future Dharma teachers. In May and July 2024, we held 2 5-day training programs at Palpung Sherabling Monastery. In this training, 10 Buddhist educators explored innovative teaching methods, blending language learning with real-world content through content and language integrated learning and project-based learning. We also dove into child psychology, team building, skill building activities, and introduced AI tools to help teachers enhance their daily work. In August 2024, as part of the training on primary teaching for monastic teachers at Sara College, we helped train 15 monastic educators from different monasteries across India. This 4-session training focused on second language teaching strategies, combining content and language integrated learning and project-based learning with interactive classroom activities that strengthen language skills. In December, again in collaboration with Sara College, we conducted a 2-week project-based learning training for Tibetan teacher trainees. 9 trainees participated, engaging deeply in both theoretical study and hands-on lesson planning. They practiced their skills with real language students and concluded the program by presenting their own BBL lessons, a true reflection of their understanding and creativity. Some of them even joined as guest speakers in one of the BEC community meetings, sharing their insights on BBL with monastic teachers. In April 2025, we conducted a 2-part training for 21 Shedra educators at Tergar Monastery in Nepal. Here, the focus was on how project-based learning can support the transmission of the Dharma, bringing ancient wisdom to life through relevant, student-centered approaches. teachers embody the Dhamma they teach, being a living example of values and practices they transmit. Through these trainings, we are not just delivering new methods, we are cultivating a community of empowered educators. Educators who are equipped with modern tools rooted in the Dharma and ready to guide the next generation with clarity and compassion. Thank you all for your continued support and trust in our project. Together, we are planting the seeds of transformative education in the monastic world.